Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally Online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of TDS with GST. Means I am calculating both simultaneously GST and TDS for unexpected income. Like TDS on winning from horse race. See, winning from horse race is unexpected income. So government is collecting 30% tax. If it is a expected income means government will collect 10%. For unexpected income 30%. So first I am going to explain the how to activate. So we can go to F11 features, statutory and taxation. Here enable goods and services taxes, sector alter GST details. Now you can take TIN number. Next enable TDSS, sector alter TDS details, TAN number, then company. Here 30% means TDS rate is 30% for unexpected income. Okay, now you can go for PAN number. So first we have to create the ledgers, accounts info, ledgers create. So I will create the ledger first. Horse race paid account, horse race paid account under indirect expenses. Applicable, yes. Here purchase taxable 18%. Services, here we have to give TDS applicable, new category. TDS means winning from horse race. I am calculating the TDS is winning from horse race. Horse race. Section 194B, payment check or DD. Rate 30%. Now another one, TDS on winning from horse race. Under duties and taxes, TDS. Here winning from horse race. Next, name of party. Name of party means you can take it as JP on horse race account. Under sundry creditors, TDS deductible, yes. Individual HUF or resident. Now we have to calculate the tax parts. CGST at 9% under duties and taxes. Under duties and taxes, GST central 9%, normal rounding 1. Here TDS applicable, here winning from horse race. SGST at 9% under duties and taxes. State 9%, normal rounding 1. Here applicable winning from horse race. So I created all the ledgers. Now I have to pass the purchase voucher. So go to accounting voucher F9 purchase. So first one, the party is JP on horse race account. Next, here horse race paid account. See, for example, I am giving the horse race amount is 1 lakh. On that, TDS on horse race. TDS on winning from horse race 30,000 means 30% will go to the government means 30,000. Remaining 70,000 will go to the name of party. Then CGST 9% and SGST 9%. Okay. Now we have to pass the payment voucher F5. See, CGST 9,000, SGST 9,000. 9,000. The amount will go to SBM. Because here SBM account is not there, I will create any name of the bank. So SBM under bank account. instrument number means check number. Okay, see the display statutory reports GST R2. Okay, in that 1,18,000 will go to the tax. If you want to see in the TDS reports, TDS outstanding is 30,000. Okay, so this is the way what we have to calculate the TDS with GST on the basis of winning from horse race. That is nothing but unexpected income. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.